Hi, Finn Lowry here with Real Strong Utility Fleet. Meet the SPU-35.
In the field, downtime isn't an option. Your equipment has to work. Every pull, every job, every time. That's why Real Strong built the SPU-35.
A true all-in-one overhead and underground puller with 3,000 pound pulling capacity.
Every tool you need, one trailer, under 10,000 pounds. At the heart of the SPU-35 is a drum-style puller on a direct drive system.
No broken chains, no downtime.
Just raw, reliable pulling power and more uptime on every job. For overhead work, the SPU-35 gives you flexibility. 4 drums with 6,000 feet of 5/16 P-line. Pull bull rope or pull straight to the conductor. Your call. Real Strong's patented 180-degree turret gives you level wind and full directional control. All in one, pull up to 90 degrees from the right-of-way. For underground applications, the SPU-35 is fully equipped. 3,000 foot of 3/8 steel cable, a level wind, and an underground arm, making wrecking out old cable a cinch. The heavy-duty hydraulic crane is built to handle the load. It's strong enough to lift the underground drum itself. No runaway crane risk, no guesswork, just controlled, confident operation. Run it remotely from the electric control pendant or fall back on the manual control panel. Either way, you're in command. The hydraulic control station is analog by design, simple to operate, built to last, no screens to freeze, no software to update. And if hydraulics ever go down, a built-in brake keeps your lines exactly where they are. No drops, no disasters. And your existing equipment, it's not going anywhere. Universal adapters and adjustable rollers mean the SPU-35 accepts drums from all major P-line puller manufacturers. Protect your investment. Hit the ground running.
Engine pack, operating gas or diesel, whichever powers you.
Safest on the market, most convenient on the job, most cost-effective in the long run. This is the SPU-35. This is Real Strong.